Welcome back to my channel. This is Inday Dory again, and now guys, we are now here at the other side of Mount Fuji. So we will ride the cable car guys, so that we will go upstairs and makikita po natin yung buong Mount Fuji. So let's go, samahan nyo ako guys. Humot nga pandesal. So, papasok po tayo dito guys, dahil dito po yung cable car, and then bibili po tayo ng ticket for the rides. Isa na lang eh. We will go upstairs guys. Ito po, waiting na po kami sa cable car na susunod guys, at sasakay na po kami dito. Ito po, patakbo na po papuntang itaas guys. Ito po, makikita natin yung view sa baba, yung lake. Napakaganda guys. Hindi ko lang masyadong nakuhanan ng video kasi maraming tao sa loob ng cable car.
The sweet rice and thing is built on the hot burger temple and served with that funky sweet sauce. It's delicious. さらに登っていただきますと、お酒の金魚と天国広場、絶景エリアがございます。
Nandito na po tayo sa taas guys. Ayan po, naglalakarin po natin yung para makita po natin yung kabuuhan ng Mount Fuji. Ayun. Alright. Oh, na-find tree diri oh. Ayan po guys, makikita po natin yung lake sa baba, and then may barko po dyan guys na pwede po tayong sumakay at makikita at may ikot po natin yung buong baba ng Mount Fuji, yung views po niya guys. Mount Fuji is the highest volcano here in Japan guys. Kaya napakagandang tingnan niya guys pag maganda ang panahon. And then spring pa kasi ngayon, kaya may snow pa siya sa tuktok ng bundok. Napakaganda dito guys. Ayan. There you go. Pine tree. The view of Mount Fuji. Ayan guys. Makikita po natin guys yung mga bahay, yung mga building sa baba. Ayan po. Napakagandang tingnan guys. Kana mo'y nindot ang inyong likod oh. Hi. Diri okay, wait tao. Ayan po guys, mayroon pong heart bell yan. Pwede niyong kalimbangin yan guys and make a wish. Meron po sila ditong snack place guys. Ayan, pwede po tayong pumasok dyan at pwede pong kumain dyan sa loob. And then, ito po guys, kumakain po ako ng ice cream kasi masarap ang strawberry ice cream po nila guys. Look at this. Uy, masarap. May hagdan pads. So, pauwi na po kami. Ito. Look at the bus guys. Napakaganda. Napakaganda ng design ng mga tourist bus po nila guys. Kaya ang sarap sumakay dyan dahil may mga CR po yan. Napakaganda. So, until here na lang po at nandito na po yung aming bus na sasakyan pa uwi. So, thank you for watching and God bless us all. If you want to come here in Japan, don't miss this place, guys, because it's very, very nice place. So, bye for now and God bless us all. I love you all. Bye-bye.